What's up, guys? Thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Missy. Today I will be foiling a pair of old capris that I have laying around here. I'm using this pair because I wanted to see if the process worked. If it does, then I will be using another pair of jeans. And I will be using the Deco Foil Transfer Gel, and I did get this from Amazon. A paintbrush, my Cricut mini press, and a Starcraft metallic black foil. I did receive this from Atlanta Vinyl, and I will link everything that I'm using in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video. So right here I am just brushing on the adhesive with the paintbrush. Got the paintbrush from Michael's, and the adhesive was from Amazon. I'll link everything down below. But this is the Deco Foil adhesive. So I'm just straightening the pants out, making sure that they're nice and flat. That way the foil will lay flat onto the adhesive and there's no wrinkles. I was going to use a used piece of foil, but I decided against it. I'm going to use a fresh piece. Now I'm just unrolling the foil and laying it on the jeans. Making sure that I don't leave any parts out. And once I got the desired length, that's when I'll cut the foil. Now I'm just smoothing everything out to make sure that I got the foil on every part of the pants where the adhesive is. That way there'll be more coverage. I even foiled the top where the pockets are. I'm not sure if I would do that again. And if I did, I would do it separately. So I'm just pressing everything down with my hands. Make sure everything is smoothed out. And now I'm taking my Cricut mini press and I am just ironing the foil on to the jeans. So if I thought about it, I would have used my Cricut Easy Press because it has better coverage, but this will do. You could even use a household iron if you'd like. So right here, I'm just going over different spots just to make sure that I don't miss anything. And now I'm just fanning the pants to help them cool down so that I can remove the foil. Once everything is cooled, then I'll rip the foil off. Well, I thought I was going to rip it, but then when I started removing it, it wasn't enough coverage, so I covered it back up, and I'm going to press once more. Just making sure that I'm getting it. So now I'm removing the foil. Nice and easy. And there you go. So the foil is now off of the carrier sheet and onto the jeans. So tell me what you think, guys. Would you try this project? A foil pair of jeans. I'm gonna try it with the adhesive that I used for the shirt. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And keep going, glowing, and growing. See you in the next one.